Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that makes entering dates far more intuitive and accurate, eliminating typos and ensuring consistent date formatting across your spreadsheet. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google Workspace applications and files are accessible. This is your central hub for managing documents, spreadsheets, and other collaborative tools. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to add the calendar date picker. This will open your Google Sheet in a new window, ready for you to start making modifications. Make sure you're working with the correct spreadsheet to avoid making changes to the wrong file. Now, click on the specific column or cell where you want to add the calendar date picker. This step is important because the date picker will only appear in the cells you select and configure. If you want the date picker to apply to an entire column, simply click on the column header at the top to select it all at once. With your cell or column selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with various data management options. From this menu, click on Data Validation. This feature allows you to control what type of information can be entered into your selected cells, ensuring data consistency and accuracy throughout your spreadsheet. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, click on Add Rule to begin setting up your validation criteria. This is where you'll define the specific parameters for your date picker. Next, click the drop-down menu under Criteria and choose as valid date from the list of options. This tells Google Sheets that only valid date entries should be accepted in these cells, which is exactly what we need for our calendar date picker functionality. Once you've selected as valid date, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar. This confirms and applies your validation rule to the selected cells or column. The system will process this change, so give it a moment to complete. Now comes the exciting part. Try to double-click on that cell or column you just configured, and you'll see a calendar date picker appear. This interactive calendar allows you to select dates visually rather than typing them manually, making data entry faster and more user-friendly for anyone working with your spreadsheet. And there you have it, you've successfully added a calendar date picker to your Google Sheets, making date entry cleaner and more efficient for your entire team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.